Hello, little friends. Today we are drawing and painting a cute shark. Let's start to draw a cute shark. At first, we are draw the cute shark head, a circle like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow those steps, then you are also able to draw. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice, and practice will make you perfect. Thank you, little friends. Bye bye.